Red Bull. Good stuff.
Gives you wings, huh?
Gives turkeys wings.
Red Bull, the official sponsor of turkey season.
2019.
Well, good morning. It is opening day. Yeah. 5:47. It's 5:47 this morning. Opening day here in Wisconsin, so if you're out, good luck. We've been setting the blind for maybe 15 minutes, and it's pretty overcast. It's supposed to be storming a lot today, and I'm here with Sam Nelson. And Sam's got his bow and the gun. I'm trying to convince him just to shoot one with the gun, but he ain't too convinced. As we were walking in, a deer blew and a car drove by at the same time, and these birds gobbled, and it was really dark out yet. They're not very far away from the blind, a couple hundred yards, probably 200, less than that maybe. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Just going right down the field. What's Tom? He's working this way. Look at that bird, dude.
Down goes Frazier. He didn't even flop, dude. He's just dead. Dude, I had a nice lean on that thing there.
Man, he wasn't gonna come.
No. Oh, I get this on camera here. Put a big hole in the big decapitating broadhead here. That's the second one for this blind.
Yeah, there's one behind me.
Yep.
We got one.
Well, good calling, buddy.
A hen was in range.
Yeah, definitely. She would've died. Then that hen was in the way for so long.
Oh yeah, I saw that too.
I was like, I don't want to get a doubler here.
Oh heck yeah. Look at that.
Nice 2-year-old, eh?
Probably, yeah. I thought for sure right away this morning he was gonna come right in, but he wasn't having any of that. I've had a
gobble there.
That's pretty freaking sweet.
It's a good day.
Came out this morning. It's opening day here in Wisconsin. And I don't really know. We brought the bow along.
Bow didn't work out today.
Put a hole in your blind.
Yep. About 4 inches wide, decapitating broadhead. Decapitating the blind.
We came out here yesterday and did a little bit of scouting. Heard a bunch of birds, but they weren't really very close. I mean, I don't know. I was optimistic for today. I wasn't.
Yeah.
I didn't. Like,
I wasn't too confident.
Yeah. I wouldn't have said that we would have killed the bird for
in an
sure.
hour. Yeah. No.
But I mean, it's less than an hour in the season here in Wisconsin. Get your tag filled.
Yeah. It was supposed to storm today. Storm held off. Thank the man upstairs for that one.
Yeah. That's pretty sweet though. As we were walking in this morning, we heard these birds gobble. I mean, I don't know if it was because of the deer blowing or the car that drove by. A bunch of things happened as we were basically walking underneath these birds, and they shot gobbled in the dark, and I ended up killing this one. Yeah, this is definitely one of the birds that gobbled this morning.
Came down about 200, 300 yards away.
200 yards in 15 minutes, and then the next 45, he just sat there in the corner. You didn't really want to come up to the knob in this decoys. I don't know if you didn't like the black and the blind or what, but it seems like every time I take the bow or go with someone who has a bow and we bring a gun along, it just never works out. But if you just take the gun, that thing would have came right in.
Yeah,
but
he would have came 5 yards.
He probably would have hit the Jake, and just like last year with me. Both Sam and I have a bunch of buddies that still have tags left for this first season. It's going to rain for the next few days, on and off, so not sure exactly when the next time I'll be out is, but probably going to try to get a few more birds down yet in Wisconsin, and then me and you head to Nebraska next week. Woo! Chase some public land blonde turkeys.
Yeah.
That's probably it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Stay tuned.
Check us out on social media also, check me out. Thanks for watching.